Welcome to Home9. We are a fast-growing real estate company backed by state-of-the-art technology. We use AI, software development, data analytics, and automation to make real estate investing and property management more affordable and profitable for everyone. We believe in our vision of one day being a one-stop shop for all of your real estate needs. The first division of our company is our Property Acquisitions Group. This division of our company will use market trends and data analytics to find undervalued and distressed properties that we can renovate for pennies on the dollar. We use our construction crews to make homes ready for the rental market. All of our rental revenues go towards fueling long-term, stable growth in our technology development, services department, and franchise operations. The next division of our company is our in-house construction group. We have in-house construction crews for every aspect of our make-readies. We find new, low-cost opportunities to get rental properties ready for the market at maximum rental returns. The next division of our company is our Technology Development Group. Our Technology Division is what fuels growth and innovation for all of our business decisions. We use technology to get us faster, more accurate results that can aid in predicting future growth opportunities for the company. Our technology is broken into three service aspects. The first aspect focuses on big data collection for use in models and market trends. The next aspect of our tech group sorts through thousands of real estate deals to find the best potential investment properties for our acquisitions group. The final aspect of our technology group focuses on software development and creating business efficiency through automation of all of our business needs from finance tracking, property management, billing, vendor management, and marketing. Our business management solutions keep overall business costs to a minimum, lowers overhead expenses, and provides a near-automated business solution for all future franchise owners. Through the use of software development and automation, we are able to scale our business and franchise businesses faster and more cost-efficient than ever before. The final division of our company will be our Maintenance and Franchise Division. This division we will grow and scale to more than just our real estate portfolio. Our platform allows us to scale the service business rapidly and be able to manage everything in a near-automated business use. We will use our technology as a sales tool to bring on small business owners into our service network as franchise owners. All of our maintenance work will be franchised and scalable across all of our property network. In addition to our portfolio, the platform will be available to private investor portfolios, real estate firms, investment groups, and the general public. We have a platform that can grow exponentially and save franchise owners thousands of dollars every year in overhead, business oversight, marketing, and administrative costs. Our software is designed to automate 90% or more of daily business operations and will give business owners the freedom to focus only on the work in the field, which will net higher revenues and less stress across the board. We have over 25 plus franchise opportunities available. When our service platform is complete, we will be able to manage all business, marketing, and franchises from one single source platform, dominating the market for the service industry through services offered, convenience, price, simplicity, and brand recognition. We will truly be a one-stop shop for all of your property and real estate needs. We believe in big visions and high growth opportunities. We are actively searching for long-term growth partners that are as eager as we are to build something great. Join us today for a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be a part of the future of real estate and a new disruptive service industry market.